It's me, Joe, and I am back with my TRM Atom. It is currently March 7th. It's a Saturday, and I got this knife back in the mail yesterday, which is pretty impressive because I sent it out last Saturday. So that makes 6 days from dropping it off to receiving it back in my mailbox from Three Rivers Manufacturing's warranty department. So thank you, TRM, for that incredible turnaround time. They told me on Wednesday that they were shipping this back to me, and it made it back in 2 days, which is crazy fast. I was a little concerned at first because they gave me a brand new box. As far as I can tell, there's only one set of stickers on here, and I had to cut them back open. They even went so far as to put the knife back in a new bag with a new sticker and a new bookmark. And so kind of took a second and made sure it was all the same, and it is. I put this O-ring on there after I checked it out. This is definitely my same knife, besides the action being pretty much exactly where it was before, like almost drop shutty, but not quite. And then the real telltale is the edge. You can see right in the middle of this edge are some scratch marks. That is the original factory grind. On either side, you can see it's shinier, and that would be my doing. That would be from my Spyderco ultrafine stone, followed up with stropping to get it near a mirror finish. Very different from the scratchy part in the middle, which is probably from a hollow grind, which is why it's still there. The Thumbstuds. These are dead solid again. So I am very happy with TRM's warranty department and their customer service. They sent me a shipping label a couple hours after I told them the problem with my Thumbstuds. They said, yeah, there's no way those should be rattling around. Definitely manufacturer defect. Please send it back to us. So I did, and I guess they maybe pressed these back on harder or gave me new Thumbstuds. Not really sure. Wouldn't be able to tell you. I could ask them, but I don't really care as long as they are solid. And yeah, I have, since that warranty claim, I went and got their little O-ring set. So that's where I got this little red O-ring. Is they sell a set of 4. Get blue, black, white, and red, so you can accessorize with their different scale colors, which I really like. And this O-ring has the added benefit of adding a little bit of grip, at least for me, and the way my thumb has to fit in here. I tend to shove my thumb meat up against the thumb stud. I was hanging out with Gabe. You guys have seen Gabe on the channel before, and he was able to get his thumb in here and use his nail to flick open the knife. Now, I can't really do that. I can't apply that force with my nail without it just like really digging into my nail and really causing me some discomfort. That's not what I'm looking for when I'm deploying a knife. I want an easy deployment. So yeah, these Thumbstuds still not my favorite design. I may eventually just kind of scuff up the top so it's not so like mirror polished, get a little more of a satin finish on there, give me some more grip, because I do still slide off these Thumbstuds. But yeah, it's a personal problem. TRM has really done right by me by fixing these Thumbstuds. I think their customer service is awesome, and their turnaround time is phenomenal. So if you are considering a TRM knife, I would highly recommend it. Are they a little pricey? Sure, but everything is made here in America, which is pretty cool. That's a win for the home team for me. I don't have anything against foreign-made knives, but I do like seeing knives made in my home country. We really need some more skilled labor positions here. It'd be real nice to see more companies like TRM making good American-made products. Yeah, 20 CV steel, really digging it. Full review pending, but I just wanted to update everyone with my Thumbstud debacle and tell you that it's all solved, and that Three Rivers Manufacturing is a great company, and you should definitely consider them. Alright, I have been Joe, and you have been watching Ink&Iron. Feel free to join me again. Have tons of videos. Link to the previous video in the description of my Thumbstuds being loose, so you can follow that. Also collect fountain pens and other EDC gear, so if you want to check that out, find me on Instagram at Ink&Iron, or check out my Patreon. It is free to join and you get bonus content. Yeah, because I'm cool like that. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.